Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to turn off the system spell checker inside the Telegram app on your PC. This can be useful if you find the spell checker distracting, or if you simply prefer typing without those red underlines popping up while you chat. The good news is, it only takes a few clicks to make this change. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app loads, take a look at the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small horizontal lines stacked together. Go ahead and click on those lines. This will open up Telegram's main menu. Next, from this menu, you're going to head into the Settings section. The Settings option is easy to spot, so just give it a click. Inside Settings, you'll see a number of categories and preferences you can adjust. For our purpose, we want to scroll down and select the section labeled Advanced. When you open Advanced Settings, you'll notice various options related to how Telegram runs on your device. One of these options is labeled Spell Checker. Under this category, you'll see a toggle labeled Use System Spell Checker. By default, it may be turned on, which means Telegram is using your computer's built-in spell checking feature. To disable it, simply click the switch next to Use System Spell Checker. Once it's off, Telegram will stop using the system checker for your messages. You won't need to restart the app. The change takes effect immediately. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, you've successfully turned off the system spell checker in the Telegram app on your PC. From now on, your chats won't be interrupted with automatic corrections or underlined words. It's a cleaner typing experience, and you can always re-enable it later if you change your mind. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to apply these steps on your own app and enjoy distraction-free messaging. This tiny adjustment can make a big difference in keeping your workflow smooth and your conversations natural. Thanks for watching.